What's up YouTube? It's your boy KBZ. Today, as you see in the thumbnail and the description, you know that I tried to cook egg with my car and I messed up. So this video that I'm recording right now, as we speak, that you're watching, is a few days later prior to the video that I made. But I wasn't trying to upload that video because I was like, shoot, I messed up and all that. I gotta do what that's successful. But this channel is all about, real things, you know what I'm saying? We're not trying to put no BS or sugarcoat certain situation. So I messed up. I showed y'all that I messed up. I know y'all trolls out there trying to act smart and all that. Please don't do that. Please tell me how I can make this video successful so we can reshoot it again so y'all enjoy it and I enjoy it. I know, even though I'm gonna say this right now, y'all probably certain of y'all gonna skip through this video right now, get to the part and troll in the comment section, whatever. But also for those people that don't know me, my name is Cam, and this is Cam Vlog channel, all about cars and stuff like that. So feel free to browse the channel for other videos, and also on top of that, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Smack the notification bell, and without further ado, check this video right here. What's up YouTube? It's your boy KBZ, Mr. Easy. I know I haven't shot a video since I was back from Houston, and by the way, I'm back from Houston. For those that don't know, so this video today is a little particular. It's something that I was thinking about, and I think I was scrolling through IG too, and then I saw something similar, but this one was just a picture. And I was like, oh shoot, actually we should try this. So basically, as you see in the description, the title and all that, I want to cook egg on the turbocharger. Okay, so there's a big platform where I can cook on top of it. Oh, there's a slingshot, and by the way, I'm showing another slingshot later today. But yeah, I want to cook on top of it, and I want to see how does that feel. You know what I'm saying? I want to know if it's gonna be eatable. If it's like, I know sometimes when I have it on dynamic and then I actually go ham and ham, you can see the turbocharged glowing. The turbocharged glowing, and I want to see if I can cook egg on that. Of course, I'm gonna take some manners so I don't get all that, dried and stuck on there. So we're gonna go buy the essential right now, and we're gonna shoot this video and see what's popping with it. Alright, stay tuned. Alright guys, so you guys probably think I'm crazy right now. You see the hood open, but you guys probably be like, what the hell is wrong with Cam Vlogs today? But I'm gonna tell you what's wrong with me. I'm trying to actually know, because first you guys might wonder, whoa, what is wrong? Dang, let me put that right here, secure. Okay, so the engine is this is the engine bay. If y'all don't know, this is how it is in my SQ5. We have oil, a must, 2 eggs, and tin foil made like a pan to cook it. So y'all probably wondering, where the hell is this guy's gonna put this in order to cook? This is removable. So you remove this, as you see the metal sheet right there, that's where we're gonna place it, and you see the turbocharged underneath it, that's where we're gonna cook it at. It's pretty hot even right now, so what we're going to do is to clean it off a little bit kind of thing, and then we're gonna put this back so it's hot and and then we're gonna go ahead and cook it. Just give it a second. Alright guys, so right now we are on dynamic mode. We gotta get this engine bay heated up. I wanted more to come, but it's taking way too long. We are gonna go up this little right here. And there's quite a whole lot of people here today. hot. We have some steam coming out of it, but it's not red. So I couldn't get it to be red because I wasn't going too fast. But hopefully we'll be able to make this happen. I don't know where I'm gonna put this because I don't even think if I can close the hood on this thing. Because if I could, I would have just drove it like that and see what happens. But I don't think I can do that. Well, actually, let's actually try it. Let's actually try it and close this thing and see how. Okay, actually, I'm gonna tie it up, try to get it stuck there. I'm gonna reopen it, and then trying to get it stuck there, I'm gonna put the other thing back in the car, and we'll actually go on a drive like that, try to get it boiling hot. And I don't want to touch a lot of things here. It is pretty hot down here. I can feel it on my hands. Trying to get it stuck in there next to the turbo. Yeah, cool. Good. Okay, so I feel a whole lot of heat coming from here. Damn it, it moved. But let's set it right there. It's pretty hot. Actually, let's clean it off. Let's throw this away. This is not that hot. Now that we place it right there, we're gonna close it and we're gonna go for a drive and see. I'm gonna take this cap back in the car. I'm gonna put it right here. Let's go. Okay guys, so we're gonna take the egg. One egg. Take some oil. We're gonna make sure we don't spill any. I don't think this egg will be eatable after because the engine bay is dirty. But we're gonna pour a little bit right here. That's enough. And we're gonna try to stir it right like this. Nice and good. Let's not trying to get any drips. And then grab one egg. That was a fail. So guys, that video was an epic fail, man. First, I'm just gonna show y'all real quick. Nah, I cleaned it out though. I just cleaned it out, so we good. But that video was an epic fail. I'm gonna try it again though. I really wanna try to do that, but yeah, I cleaned it out. So I wanna see details. I cleaned it out. I'm gonna get more detailing cleaning later on with pressured water, but yeah, the egg fell. I thought it would have been solid enough, but nah, the egg was on top. As soon as I put the egg, it slipped, fell right in there. It came through the bottom. So yeah, that was a hella of an epic fail, but it's gonna be fine though. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. Please comment down below what I should do next and how can I fix this problem in order to make it better. Also, go check out my Instagram channel. The link is down in the description. And without further ado, Kabizi, we out.